Gwe bya Ruhanga kola byayagala naye njagala omanye nti n'Obote naye yeeyisa bw'atyo. Okay? During the Obote regime, they also behaved like that. What you're doing is immoral. You turn me away from a hotel. Shame on you. You turned me away from a hotel.
A presidential candidate. Katonora Gawa after that. You are going to be demoted. Zimba
No, I don't need to beg anybody. I'm a Ugandan, okay? Why do they order me not to sleep in a hotel that I've paid for?
Nabujako ne tumanya nti tayagala kalulu oyinza kutyanga nze serabangako omusajja atyanga obusajja ono nze nfudde kubanga you cannot be a coward as much as this guy is, because how can he stop us from sleeping anywhere? And we Ugandans, that's one too, but we know that the hotels belong to them. We know that. Now, can you imagine what will happen when we take over power, when they are denying us access to the resources which they have used government money to construct? That is food for thought.
Those are terrible people.
I'm very angry. That is food for thought. All the Ugandans should come up and support us. Anyway, doesn't he see, like the Bible says, doesn't he see that God has rejected him? Doesn't he have eyes? Does he need anybody to tell him?
They are shameless. He's an officer of the law. Whether he does what,
God has rejected him, and a new leader is coming in, whether he wants it or not. So, I think, I suggest, since we don't have mattresses to sleep here,
we sleep in the cars.
We sleep in the cars. Those who can buy, are there mattresses in this town? And somebody rents us mattresses and put them here, and we sleep.
We sleep.
Yeah.
We sleep on the roadside.
Yes. Since we are denying entrance in any hotel.
Yeah, Ruhanga tells me I cannot sleep here. It's ordered we cannot sleep here. They've closed the road to Masindi. They've closed the road to Hoima. We decided to sleep here before we go to the next destination. They have ordered that we cannot be allowed to sleep here, whether we have money for the hotel or not. They're ordering every hotel not to host us. Lwaki batuyisanga abatali bannansi? Abo abasajja nga bajja bakitaffe be baayiwawo omubiri, bakitaffe be baabasuzanga. Abo babya Ruhanga basulanga mu nnyumba zaffe, oyo Museveni yasulanga mu nnyumba zaffe, yalyanga mmere zaffe, yalyanga nte zaffe. Lwaki atugaana okusula mu nsi yaffe? Tukoze eki? Tukoze musango ki? They've closed every road. Enguudo bazigadde zonna. Batugambe temusobola kugenda Masindi, temusobola kugenda Hoima. Anybody else can, naye ffe tetukkirizibwa. Twaziza musango ki? Okwesimbawo ku Museveni musango.
Yes, Umulamu nga tumuta. Turonye obusirikale turonye yes. Yangulu kumanya tunonye bya Ruhanga.
You know, we are hungry.
Yes, yes, our dear viewers, like you see, there is a tense situation here.
We went to sleep at the hotel here.
Yeah, right now we are in Mijera. That officer you see there is called Ruhanga. He is the OC here. He's saying that there is an order. Kyagulanyi is not meant to sleep in this area because he didn't apply to sleep here. Yet he paid for a hotel and he paid for a room. He paid for all the facilities. He has been booked into the hotel. But that officer you can see there is rigged. He's saying that he has orders to chase away Kyagulanyi. On top of that, they have closed all the roads from going to Masindi, going to Hoima, and Kyagulanyi tomorrow has rallies in Kyankwanzi. He has rallies in Kiboga and another area. And this could be the easiest place to come from Mijera to go to Kyankwanzi and in Kiboga. So the OC is saying Kyagulanyi should find somewhere else to sleep, or he has no right to sleep anywhere here in Mijera. So we would like to tell you that Kyagulanyi calls this impunity of the highest order, where police officers are just giving orders that Ugandans, especially leaders of the opposition, are not supposed to be using their right to hire any hotel anywhere and sleep, or to use any road like you've been seeing during day or during the campaign trail. Kyagulanyi's campaign motorcade has always been blocked on the way, and he has been turned away from using main roads, the roads that have been tarmacked by the taxpayers' money. On top of that, he has always been sent to the remote Maram roads, which are impassable, finding himself even reaching late to the rally venues. And on top of that, he ends up not having rallies. Such a thing happened in Chibale, it happened in Hoima yesterday, it has happened in very many other places. Now, the same thing is being brought onto the places where he is supposed to sleep with his team. Yesterday we were in Hoima, the police and the army cordoned off the hotel. They wanted to send him away. Why? Because they thought they were not comfortable with him sleeping in Hoima. And the same thing is now happening in Mijera here, as he plans to campaign tomorrow in Kyankwanzi, Kiboga, and another district that I will be remembering it later. This is becoming impunity according to Kyagulanyi, and he is saying these people should be more understanding, because the Byaruhangas of this world, all the other people from the Western Uganda, all the Bush War veterans have always benefited from the grandparents and grandchildren and grand properties and properties of the grandchildren of the people from Central Uganda, and they should treat them as Ugandans, not as other people who are aliens or refugees in this country. He is saying he is being treated like a refugee or someone who came into this country illegally. Yet
that we sleep. Hello? They have said that we sleep. But for me, I have decided that you all sleep here, just on the ground. But now we can consult the hotel. Let's find the place. If the place is not there, we can still sleep.
Yadde alina obuyinja busatu era talina buyinza kyovola abadde akuba masimu.
Yes, Madam Jole Mugisha, the Vice President in charge of Western Uganda, has just talked to the high-ranking officer of Byaruhanga, and she says he has allowed Kyagulanyi to sleep in this area. We don't know whether they had to seek permission. Wherever they will be going, they will be seeking permission so that they can sleep in those areas. However, Kyagulanyi apparently has been allowed to sleep in the hotel where he had hired, so we are waiting to see whether he will sleep there without any turbulences or any disturbances from the police officers and the army officers who are trailing him. We have right now like 6 police patrol vehicles that are trailing us. We don't know what they are up to, but even the other mobile prison is trailing us. Numberless police patrol vehicles are trailing us, so we don't know what is really the motive behind all this. However, like you can see, Kyagulanyi said he will be sleeping here if they don't allow him to go to the hotel. He will be sleeping in the vehicle and he will leave his vehicle here. He will be waiting for whatever they have to do. But Madam Jole Echomugashwa has said, Jori Mugisha, the Vice President of the National Unity Platform in charge of Western Uganda, has said that they have allowed him to sleep. So we are still waiting. Phone calls are still being made. We are still waiting to see what goes on after here. We are in Mijera. The road that leads to Nakasongola, Kyankwanzi, and all those other areas where they expect to go from tomorrow as they go to campaign in those areas tomorrow. Keep tuned to Gero TV. We are still giving you the situation around here where we had branched off to come and sleep. Sorry. Come to microphone.
Kakola.
Yo.
Oboti yasuwanga n'embuzi mu nnyumba. Oboti yasuwanga n'embuzi mu nnyumba oboti. Obaddayo ono. Tukamfoma. Kabulo kumfoma. Olulina buzibu musajja wattu. Uno atunanga namagoya. Ku bantu abatali basirikale mulekeredde abasirikale. Toli musirikale. Abatali basirikale. Kati buli aze okuwagira bakuweeri.
Walaba kukyali ekasese. Nga tugayitamu nga gaaka.
Kati bw'oba toli musirikale okolawo ki? Bw'oba toli musirikale okolawo ki? Gwe! What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? If he's not a police officer, what is he doing here? If he's not a police officer, what is he doing here? He said he's not a police officer. What is he doing here? If he's not, what is he doing here? If he's not a police officer, what is he doing here? He's provoking us. Eh? He's saying he's not a police officer. If he's a police officer, let him identify himself. Let him identify himself. Nonsense.
Come closer, no? For briefing.
Awamala.
Banange njagala mubere calm, okay? Njagala mubere discipline. Bino ebintu byonna byonna babitukola baba provoking munyige. Saagala kulaba muntu yenna nga banyisiganya nabo ebigambo. Okay? Mubadde bampisa nnyo, njagala musigale nga muli bampisa. Tulina erinnya ery'okuuma. Bo mubawe chance olese empisa embi, bolese empisa ensiwufu. Muwulidde? Saagala kulaba muntu yenna asikangana na poliisi, saagala kulaba muntu yenna awanyisiganya nayo ebigambo. Tuli ku kituufu tetulina musango, okay? Bo mubaleke bongere maaso okwerabisa. Temuvumagana nabo, temuvaako waya. Manyi byonna byonna ebigenda maaso binyiiza. Naye temugeza ne muvaako waya. Mukitegedde bannange? Temuvaako waya, buli omu atule mu mmotoka ye tubeere kaamu. Ensi etutunuulidde. Guno omulembe gwe mulimu ensi ebeera aba buli kimu. So kikulu nnyo okulaga empisa ennungi, ate kikulu nnyo bo bawa chance bongere okweyoleka nga bwe bali abamenyi b'amateeka. Mukitegedde? Temukkiriza kuvaako waya. Olaba munno ng'avaako waya mukkakanye. Mukitegedde? Kyembadde njagala okugabana
Tugende mu motoka zaffe zitagiddemu. Buli omu agende mu motoka ye.
Wadde tugamba kubeera kaamu tetuyomba nabo waliwo wadde batumanyira mbombo buli mwagiza zze wano alina kuba kyaliwa mu simanyi tetuna mutwe nasalawo ya Ruhanga ali wakati. I'm looking for ya Ruhanga. Kunya ya Ruhanga. Where is ya Ruhanga? Where is ya Ruhanga? They have surrounded the entire area. They have surrounded the entire area. You can see the supermarket has closed down. They don't allow them to sell things to people.
But these officers, I think they want to make accountability for the tear gas they are receiving. Because now, for the time we have been here, just denying us an opportunity to access the hotel, creating a necessary scene. Because people are gathering, they are going to be forced to fire tear gas and say, maybe if you are looking for promotion. Unfortunately, there is a gentleman called Biarhanga.
ari kutisizira izina from people from Ankole, also from Ankole. We are against Bobi Wine Kyagulanyi when we are here supporting him. Jaruhanga, just break off that name Jaruhanga, because you are just tarnishing our name as Banyankole. He is tarnishing our name as Banyankole. Jaruhanga muronesha kumukorera because Jaruhanga atari Nigeria Bobi Wine tashimye kubona rara kasi hotel naenda kujisheshura naenda kujishura emereye uruno jangu Jaruhanga uruno jangu Bobi Wine atajama hano. It is very unfortunate. Konga, I want to tell Ugandans that it is not true that all Banyankole are against Bobi Wine is being. Yes. Ankole has spoken. Everybody saying
This is the Vyaruhanga man. Was blocked Kyagulanyi from sleeping. Look man, we Vyaruhanga. Yes, we want to tell you that police is causing chaos itself. It's causing tension in this area. You can't tell why. Yeah. They have surrounded the entire area. They're treating other candidates as enemies of the state. Whoever opposes President Museveni becomes an enemy of the state. And yes, indeed, Kyagulanyi has been turned into an enemy of the state. Simanyi labayo mubagitunda wali
okutegeera abalungi mu ggale otekukalawo omulimu gwabwe kulaba waliwo obubbi obukolebwa waliwo kino ekikolebwa no so sigamba oli yukros oyala yambekanga ekyekoko izira nti simanidde eyayo jangu muno kwangu kifuuka yangu ono wanakola
Vyaruhanga is making continuous phone calls, endless phone calls. Like you can see, the guys have surrounded the entire area. We are just waiting to see what happens. Maybe we're gonna sleep here, or we shall be going to the hotels to sleep. Simumanyi netasobola kulekana kwate omuleka. Like father always sings, kama wali osobola. Everything is possible when God is there. Yes, this entire team is Honorable Kyagulanyi's team. The people are standing by the roadside to view what's going on. They have not crowded here. They're just wondering why Kyagulanyi will be treated like this.
Twagala kuleeta mifaliso. Twagala sula wano mpaka omukulembeze lwagaawo. Okwekuuma nga terikola fujjo. Oba fujjo oba si fujjo totubuulira naawe. Abapoliisi bakole fujjo fene tugenda sula wano. Tukooye bannange tukuze tukaddiye naye tukooye. Tetulina na fujjo lingi. Ffe tugamba katowa abaana oba jjajja akyukemu. Katigaba emyaka gye nnina ndaba ye. Akyukemu bannange. Takoze bubi tetuganye. Naye twagala kutuusaamu bannange n'emmundu tuzitya nnyo kati. Emmundu tuzitya nnyo kati mu mmundu. Bane nkubuulire emmundu tuzitidde. Oba emifaliso tugenda kuleeta emifaliso twebake wano mu bulungi. Amalwaliro ne gabulamu eddagala. Amalwaliro ne gabulamu eddagala nga mmundu z'olaba zokka. Abakazi bazaalibwa bafa, abakazi bazaala bafa, tulaba mmundu. Kakati weebuuze wano tuli wano Mijeera maama. Oba Mijeera ssebo wa munnamawulire wano Mijeera. Batubuulirewo eddwaliro lya gavumenti. Mazima gennyini. Batubuulirewo eddwaliro lya gavumenti eri wano e Mijeera era naffe tulaba. Bannange nkubuulire wano we tuli twakoowa. Bannange nkubuulire wamma bannange Let's go for this.
We shall be coming back, our dear viewers, with an update, but just know for now that's where we're standing. We're still here. Shall be giving you an update on what's the final decision on this standoff